In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by launching settings and tapping on display right away. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it off or on. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots located on Brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness thanks to this switcher and save your changes by hitting Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!